Hello everyone, this is Professor Ram Guge, and first of all I would like to welcome everyone on my YouTube channel. So today I have taken this topic which I find most important for all those aspirants who want to improve their English language. The title of this presentation is Why and How to Learn English. So I am Professor Ram Guge, Speak Mind Spoken English Academy, Chandan Nagar, Pune. Let us begin with this lesson now. So why we need to learn English nowadays? English is a lingua franca, which means what? Almost everywhere in the world, English is spoken everywhere. Almost half of the world accepted it as a link language. Therefore, it is no longer a language of England or America only. Everyone is right now using language in the period of globalization, right? Second point, universal language of international communication and business communication. Okay, any international exchange happen between two countries and business which is going on everywhere due to globalization, the language for these two things is English, and that's why it becomes an essential aspect of your career and life. Next, facts about English. We will see some facts about English. 300 million people use English as a second language. English is used as an official language in over 60 countries. Almost 70% of the book published in English globally. Over 80% of information stored electronically around the world in English, as English is the language of internet. Okay. So these were the facts of English language. Now we will come to the point that why we need to learn English in this competitive world. The best way to improve your life. It is said that the better English, better career. Better English, better life. And if you improve your English, how you can make your life better, I will give you one analogy through which you can understand actually how important it is for us to develop or improve English language. English language is a door. There is a door of success, and if you want to open that door of success, then English is a key of that particular door. And if you don't have English language with you, then it is really impossible for you to open the door of success. So what I mean that your success is depend on how much fluent you are in English language. Second point, you can get access to the information that other people can't get. All the information is available through electronic devices like internet and all that. And if you know the English, definitely you can automatically access all those information which you find important. You can take it, otherwise you can leave it as it is, but at least you will get to access to the information. You can communicate with almost everyone around the world. So if you just speak your original language, you or me or anybody else in this for that matter, if we speak our mother tongue, definitely we will communicate with less people, only those people who speak the same language. But if you speak English, you will get your horizon of communication will improve, and you will get an opportunity to communicate all over the world. You can easily impress people when you speak English. It is a very impressive language. If you speak English, definitely the person with whom you are interacting, definitely that person will get impressed. You can get lead in your career, leaving others behind. If you want to take your career to the next level, then you have to improve these skills in your personality along with communication and English language. You can get all this if you can speak English. You will get all the above mentioned things if you can speak very good English language, right? So let us find out why learn English. The continuation of the previous point. You will get access to information. Most pages on the web are written in English, so if you want to read those pages, you have to learn English, otherwise it is not possible for you. All the books in the world are written in English. There are very few books, 20% or 30%, which are written in regional languages, but 70% books, and the Google has made it available through the PDF and all that form. So these all treasure of knowledge is available only in English language. Therefore it is important for us to learn English. News, newspaper, news magazine, news channel, everything is in English, so definitely we'll get easy access to all these things. Science never use any other language for its internal and external communication, and all these science study books are also available in English, so it's very important for science students, science stream, right? Communicate with people, access to entertainment, films and music like Hollywood, Bollywood and all those things. If you know English, definitely you can enjoy the films, you can watch the films in English, and you can develop your communication. Continuation of the same point, why learn English? Push your career forward, next level. Enjoy art like never before. Get satisfaction, you will become satisfied if you speak in English. English makes you more powerful person. You feel that, yeah, I'm very strong if you speak in English. English gives access to some of the world's best universities. If you really want to go abroad for education, then definitely there are two tests in England, IELTS, and in US, TOEFL. And if these tests are based on 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing, and if you crack the test at more than 75% marks, only then you will get admission in these kind of universities. So definitely we have to improve your English to get abroad for education and any other purposes. English gives you more job opportunities. You can learn other languages with English. English can become a link language for learning German, Spanish or any foreign language for that matter. English can be your magic key in corporate world. So corporate world is totally based on English culture, English structure, and it can become a magic key for you if you are trying to be a part of business or corporate world. Then you must have command over English language. And the last slide, how you can do that. Now I have told you why we have to learn English. Now I'll tell you how you can do that and how you can improve your English. So this is a package for lockdown period. I have this package for you, and if you do this activity, I am telling you that definitely you can improve your English in 1 month. Only 1 month you just do these things which I am telling you right now. The formula for developing or communication or English language: LSRWTP plus English grammar plus vocabulary. L stand for listening, S stand for speaking, R stand for reading, W stand for writing, T stand for thinking, function of grammar and vocabulary, and last point, practice, practice and practice. Now I'll tell you what is this. Listening, you know, if you give input, listening, then output will come, right? Input, output. So listening is a kind of input which will definitely help us to produce some kind of output, speaking, right? So listen every day 20 minutes to any good new channel or any reality show or program in English, or YouTube channel for that matter in English. So definitely it will automatically create some language structure on your brain for listening almost 20 minutes for next 1 month every day. So definitely it will help for you to improve your listening skills. Speaking, now it may be possible that you don't have that opportunity, that there are so many people who have same interest and you can speak with them. But if the situation is not like that, then you can create it in an artificial way. You can create hypothetical situation in front of you and you can interact in that situation by playing both the roles. That is one option. And second, every day try to read any text for 20 minutes loudly. If you are reading loudly, which means you are speaking, and you will get fluency through that. Reading, read magazines, newspaper, any story books or something like that. So definitely it will enrich your vocabulary. Write your daily diary and write both the things which you have done in a day. If in all the good things you can write in the diary. Thinking can be, when we are alone, we think about something, right? So just you need to change the medium of thinking. Rather than thinking in your mother tongue, you can think in English, and definitely it will give you opportunity to create more than 50,000 sentence in a day. And if you practice that much self talk, definitely it will helpful for you to speak in public also. Function of grammar. So grammar we know, but we don't know how to use that grammar for communication. So Raymond Murphy's Essential English Grammar book, if you refer that book, definitely you will get to know what is the function of grammar, and you will get command over different situations and how to speak in that situations, right? Vocabulary. So through reading you can develop your vocabulary. And last point, practice. There is a saying in English that practice makes man perfect, and if you want to be perfect in English, practice it. And you look at this picture. English, don't avoid it, master it, because there is no option, right? If you want to go to the heaven, then you have to die. And if you want to be successful in business and corporate world, you have to speak in English. And thank you so much for everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then share among all your friends and hit the notification button, so you will get my next video notification to you. And thank you so much. Thanks a lot.